Hello everyone. So we will begin up with our last program. So let me share my screen. That is our 10th lab program. Okay. So that is design an XML document to store information about a student in an engineering college affiliated to VTU. The information must include USN, name of the college, branch, year of joining, and his or her email ID. Make up sample data for two students, they have said here, and display the details using the XSLT. Okay. So as we have seen in our earlier program of ninth, that is there we are going to use HTML and CSS, whereas in our 10th program, which we are going to display the same students information using the XML and our XML and XSLT. Okay. So here they have said us to create a student's information who is affiliated to VTU. Okay, we need to store or display his data with the USN name of the college, year of joining, and his email ID. So to sample two data they have asked it. So first, again, as I have mentioned in our 7th lab program also, here also we need to have an access to XAMPP. Okay, server. So you again, once again, I'm just repeating, that is XAMPP you need to install. Okay, so just you have to go and store it into that particular XAMPP folder. Okay, in that your test folder will be created, and there you have to save it as lab10 dot what one program will be .xml and the other program will be .xsl as mentioned in the manual. Okay, so after installing of XAMPP, again make sure you are going to go into the control panel and type it as XAMPP control panel. So once that is open, this command prompt will open. You make sure that this Apache and MySQL is working properly. Okay, that is you are going to start it. If these both are going to be displayed as green, then it is confirmed that yeah, your XAMPP server is working well. Okay, so before beginning with the program, make sure you are switching on this XAMPP server. Okay, that is MySQL and Apache. Okay, so after that is done, one program you save it as example 10 new.xml. Okay, so as XML is nothing but extended markup language, so in our HTML tag what we are doing, we are having some certain specific tags. Okay, like I b, okay, or Yet, okay, those tags itself we are going to use, like script tag, or it can be HTML body tag or any tag. Okay, the only specific tags only we are going to use there in HTML, but in extended markup language, as the name itself depicts, that we have some extended versions of the tags going to be used. That is, whichever tag we want of our own choice, we can create here. In suppose now for VTU, we are going to use VTU tag. Inside that we are going to use student tag, and again in inside student what they have asked us as per the question, USN name, college and branch. So we are going to use this USN tag and write this USN of that particular student, close that USN tag. Similarly, name tag, in between write the student's name, close that name tag. College tag, again starting and ending. Branch tag, again in between that value you give. Year of joining, YOG tag, again it the value that he has joined on 2019. Then email tag, again opening and closing tag, and finally we are going to store one particular student's data is filled. So we are going to close this student tag, and next two students they have asked. So next student tag we are going to open and fill in all his details like USN name, college, branch, year of joining and email into that particular opening and closing tags of those particular tags, and finally this student tag also we are going to close here. Okay, so similarly they have taken here for the 3 student examples. Okay, so finally this VTU tag we had started from beginning, so at the end we are going to close that VTU tag. Okay, then next one program is, so this is what we created, this .xml file. Okay, so next is .xsl, that is extended style sheet we are going to use. This XSL is nothing but what, to style up our given output. In our 9th program we studied about XML, this CSS we used to display the program or make the styling for that particular, okay, program. But here we are going to use extended style sheet version. That is, XML file does not appear to have any style information associated with. Okay, it is going to be displayed in a tree-like structure here. So as you can see, this XSL doc type code you are going to use, and XSL template match you are going to use. Okay, then HTML tag, center tag, since we want the data is going to be displayed in center. Then H2 students information, then table we are going to use, and alignment is going to be center, and its background is going to be teal color and white. And TH tag, that is here in our first heading we want USN, then next heading name, college, branch, year of joining, and email. Okay, this is going to be our first main heading tag into our table. Okay, then that particular TR we are going to close. Then next is for XSL, for each select VTU student USN you are going to select. Okay, in the next TR, what you are going to do, the next value you are going to use, that is value of select, that is USN, whatever value you are given up in our XML, that value should be displayed. Then similarly our next TR will be what, name value, then college value, branch value, year of joining value into that particular table. Okay, then further the table XSL is going to be closed, table tag closed, body tag, XML, HTML tag closed, and the beginning XSL template we had started and XSL style sheet we had started. So those all particular things we are going to close. And then once again we are going to include this element VTU entity type for parsing of the data of our particular information of our student information which we are giving, like USN, name, college, branch, year of joining, and email. So here for each element VTU entity it is going to create. Then for student data also for USN, name, okay, college, branch, year of joining, and email. Similarly, the entity it is going to display like for ISC information, CSC information, EC information, and NHC information. Okay, so this is how our output is going to be looked. Okay, as we here we have given 3 students information. Okay, let me just execute and show it. Yeah, see here program 10, you can see 3 students, USN is going to be displayed, name and college, their branch, okay, then their year of joining and their email IDs. Since we have given all the 3 in those particular style format, so it is going to display us, okay, in the same series as we have mentioned into our XML document. Okay, so this is how we are going to use this XML and XSL styling programming to get the access to the student information, okay, of any 2 students or 3 students. Here since we have used 3 students data, so we are in output also we are going to get 3 students data. Okay, but as per our lab program they have just mentioned it as just 2 students sample data, but it's okay, you can include how many ever you want. Okay, so once you are done, make sure that this XAMPP control panel also you are going to switch off this Apache and MySQL once your program execution is done. Okay, so this is how we are going to execute our lab 10 program of XML document and using XSL document for having access to the VTU student information. Okay, I hope you got the concept. Thank you.